Hey guys, so in this video, which it has been it has been 5 months since I've made a video. And now I'm gonna start making a lot more videos since now I have 2 project cars. And you will see them today, or at least the new one today. Old one will be coming up soon, but here's the new one, and cut to it now.
You get holding lines on it? There you go.
Okay guys, so here's the car, 351, 4-speed. It's got a 9-inch in it. It's Mach 1. Has a shaker. It's right there. You see the interior, and it doesn't have door handles because someone took those off. So, but it does have like solenoid doors, so you can open them from the outside. So I think today what I'm gonna do is take out the seats, wherever the bolts are, and I'm just gonna vacuum everything out of here. And then, first I should probably drain the fuel tank, because everything in that it's turned to varnish. I don't know if you can tell. And it's leaking everywhere. So I'm gonna take that all out. Then I got the fuel line all cut. So what we were told when we bought this was that this was a starter. It came with a new starter. This is like a spare headlight bucket here. Comes with a little like trim rings. Oh, there's an extra bucket under that one too. Almost messed it up. Air cleaner. Here's the shaker cleaner. Or on the air cleaner actually, so I guess we got two. Need to vacuum this up after. Yeah. Oh yeah, the car doesn't have a headliner either. So here's what we got. Shaker, air cleaner, headlight buckets. It's about, or bezel and buckets. That's about all we got. And then vacuumed out the car. Very dirty. Alright everyone, I'm going to wrap this video up right here. Please drop a like, and remember, stay tuned for future content on that.